speed and reaction time.
Oh, I was
Good,
expecting
good.
that one.
I did quick on you. That's good.
And a nice big in8 summit welcome to Dr. Brad Glowaki.
I want to share with you that the pharmaceutical companies aren't going to rest. And the same people we were told to trust blindly are the same people that are convicted felons. Patients will understand some of these concepts. So we can take some really big things in chiropractic and just make it simple. And that's the beautiful thing about chiropractic. It was meant to be simple. The reason we haven't had to change our principles in over 100 years is because we got it right the first time. BJ was way ahead of his time. BJ was way ahead of his time.